Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the right edition and virtualization enabled. Once confirmed, start the feature turn-on process. First, verify system information shows virtualization enabled and note your OS edition. Then open Control Panel, choose Turn Windows features on or off, and prepare to select required components. Make sure you're signed in as an admin because elevated rights are required. Once you've reached the Windows Features dialog, you're ready to pick the roles that make Sandbox work. In the Windows Features list, tick Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Sandbox. Those three components create the isolated environment. After you click OK, Windows will install them and prompt for a restart. Go ahead and reboot to apply kernel and hypervisor changes. If the options are unavailable or fail, pause. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMDV. Then boot back and repeat the feature selection. Once restarted, the hypervisor will be active. After restart, open Start, type Windows Sandbox and launch the app. It opens a clean, disposable desktop where you can test software safely. Use copy-paste or shared folders to bring files in, install or run what you need, then close the Sandbox to destroy all changes. That's the safety model. If Sandbox won't appear or is grayed out, make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS/UEFI and that you're on a supported Windows 11 edition. Enable Hyper-V and reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.